and I didn't know how to take it off originally. I got it up to this bit and then it wouldn't budge. Further on it wouldn't budge. So I found out how to do it. What you need is a Torx, I think it's a 15 or something like that, and a pry tool. So what you do is you pry this bit out. You do that all the way up to here. And then this is the trick. You come down to this bit here where this rubber is and you just peel it all the way back, and then you'll see underneath, I've already removed that one and that one, but there's these Torx, sorry focus, there's these Torx screws all the way down, focus, and you want to take them off. All the screws, I've loosened this up, so it should really just come up now. There you go. That's your trim. So yeah, that's the trim back on. But if you want to remove these trims as well, to wet them or replace them or whatever, this one's really easy. But yeah, the pry tool or something to wedge underneath, and this one just pops straight off. So it's just wedge your tool. I'm not going to take it off because I've already done it. Just pop this one. There's about three or four clips underneath, and it just pops off. A good trick to get it back on, because I had a lot of trouble getting my one back on, is because there's a hook and it hooks on, and for some reason when you go to hook it back on, it won't clip in properly and it'll come off. So what I've done is I put some fishing wire under the hooks, put this back on, hold the fishing wire, push it in, and as you're pushing it in, pull the fishing wire up, and you should hear a click, and then it will clip in and it's back in solid. The door, I think it's a case of just, yeah, you just lift this part up, so you get your pry tool in there, lift it, and what you need to do on this one is this part here, you can see I'm not going to take it off, but you have to take this part off, same thing, just get your pry tool in there, it will pop off, and then that way you can lift this bit up, and it lifts straight up, and there's nothing, as far as I can remember, nothing holding it up. Door handles are really easy as well to take off on these ones. You pop this cap off here, you undo a screw that's under there, and yeah, and then I think you just pull it out, and then you can just take this bit apart. See, I need to redo this because it's come apart. But yeah, that's how to take off the trim on a C205 Mercedes.